Welcome to the evolving world of pharmacology, the science that stands as a pillar for modern healthcare. Here we explore the interplay between medicine and the human body, shaping patient care and transforming lives. Pharmacology not only informs treatment choices and drug safety, but drives the innovation that unveils new therapies. It's the journey of a medicine through our bodies, from administration to effect, teaching us the language of healing. This series is designed for both students and healthcare professionals seeking to understand pharmacology's profound impact on global health. Join us as we arm ourselves with knowledge and discover the power of drugs in the story of human health. Imagine a future where illness is swiftly countered by pharmacological prowess. That future begins in the laboratory, where the synthesis of new compounds marks the first phase in a drug's life cycle. We unravel this quest for wellness, where potential treatments undergo rigorous scrutiny for safety and efficacy before reaching patients. The journey continues with clinical trials where human experiences shine a light on effectiveness and side effects. Even post approval, diligent monitoring guards public health. This saga tightens the threads of our understanding and sets the stage for innovations in treatment. Remember, as we unravel the mechanisms of action and drug responses, you're learning not just about compounds, but life-saving marvels forged from intellect and compassion. Diving deeper into pharmacology, we discover the significance of drug nomenclature. Proprietary or brand names, created for market recognition, stand beside their generic counterparts, reflecting chemical composition and global recognition. The story of paracetamol, also known as Tylenol, illustrates this distinction between universal and exclusive identification. Understanding these names is crucial. They're not merely terms, but keys to informed healthcare decisions. In the following segment, we delve into drug mechanisms, building our knowledge as we venture from simple names to the complex interactions within the body. Our narrative brings us to the mechanism of action, the intricate dance between medication and biological systems. Medications may mimic natural bodily agents, interrupt destructive pathways, or directly communicate with cellular receptors, igniting changes crucial to health. Take antihypertensive drugs. They adjust heart rates and artery tension, exemplifying how a drug's journey impacts bodily function. This interplay highlights a dialogue between drug and biology, inviting us to understand not only the effects, but also the body's responses. Up next, we'll focus on the outcomes of these interactions, essential for the fabric of effective treatment. In our exploration of pharmacology, we arrive at the outcomes of drug action. The drug effect, a series of biochemical reactions, is immediate and measurable, similar to ripples across a pond's surface. Following this, the body's response emerges, potentially modifying disease progression or alleviating symptoms. Understanding these therapeutic outcomes bridges theory and practice, providing proof of concept for treatment efficiency and safety. Armed with this knowledge, we're better prepared to navigate treatment options. Next, we'll examine case studies to illustrate these principles in real-world scenarios. Let's examine a tangible example, the evolutionary path of a drug destined to address chronic illness. Its life begins with discovery and extends through rigorous testing, from laboratory to clinical trials, where dosages and side effects refine its therapeutic potential. Post-marketing surveillance is equally vital, ensuring long-term safety and efficacy. This case study reflects the cumulative efforts of our previous lessons in safeguarding health. And as we transition to the next segment, remember that each drug's name carries its own unique story, from concept to care. Delving now into the critical implications of drug nomenclature, we grasp the importance of medication names, a blend of chemistry, trademark laws, and patient safety. For healthcare providers, understanding these names is as crucial as adherence to the Hippocratic Oath. Beyond the basics, we see how the names serve practical purposes in clinical settings, guiding treatment choices and ensuring safety. Moving forward, we'll see how this network of nomenclature becomes the navigational map in the healthcare landscape. It's time to implement your pharmacology insights with an interactive quiz. This is more than a milestone. It's an active consolidation of your understanding, from drug discovery to lifelong monitoring, and the specifics of nomenclature. Reflect on mechanisms of action and the crucial discourse between drug effects and responses, reinforcing the knowledge we've layered so far. Each question extends a chance to reaffirm your learning. View this as preparation for future challenges, illuminating pharmacology's complexities with each response. Looking into pharmacology's future, we're greeted by promising advancements. Pioneering initiatives in personalized medicine and biotechnological innovations open new dimensions in treatment. Our grounding in the fundamentals now sets us on a course to embrace and contribute to this dynamic field. As we step forward, let us advance with optimism towards a healthcare future tailored and transformative. With our pharmacological study complete, we ponder the harmony of medication and physiology. Each discovery phase adds to the overall picture of vigilant healthcare. Proprietary versus generic, mechanisms and responses. These concepts are fundamental. Carrying your new knowledge forward, the path of continued learning and inquiry awaits. May you harness your curiosity to pioneer new therapeutic frontiers, and may your dedication to pharmacology make waves in the ocean of healthcare innovation.